Hello, I am Professor Fizzle, and I am running the Massachusetts Splendid Teapot Racing League virtual Splendid Teapot race at Arisia this coming Martin Luther King weekend. And I am making a series of videos designed to support contestants as they design, build, and showcase their race cars, teapots, and obstacle courses this year. I did say obstacle courses. This year, Arisia, like so many other fan events this year, is going to be all virtual and all online. To enter this year's Splendid Teapot race, you need to not only build your racer, but also your obstacle course and film yourself racing in your obstacle course. Last year, everybody was racing on the same course, and the fastest car won a prize. But now, in this plague year, everybody will be running on their own obstacle course, so points will be awarded for the number and difficulty of the obstacles that you surmount, and the number of seconds you take to run your own course will be subtracted from your entry. The idea is to reward craftsmanship, creativity, and skill, while at the same time making room for anyone to enter who wants to. Okay, here we have another obstacle course, pretty much the same ones we had before. I have my starting line, I have my finish line, and now I have an obstacle. This will count legally as the Tunnel of Terror. The tradition in the Massachusetts Splendid Teapot races is that the Tunnel of Terror has been simplified to just two bottles, checkpoint drive-through. Since we usually use bottles as the checkpoints, we call it Drunkard's Pass. It is a 3-point obstacle. I will demonstrate. If you please, say ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
1.11. 1.11 seconds. Thank you. Okay, so we have a 3-point obstacle. Minus 1.11 seconds for 1.89 points. That's what I would award that course run. I hope that helps explain how I intend to score the contest. I will be introducing more obstacles. Keep your eyes out for them. I want to try to make my videos faster because I'm starting to feel the time coming. Keep your eyes open. In the meantime, I am Professor Fizzle, and this was one of my fabulous Fangles.